The world. Automatic twisted ice cream. Ireland, a very long escalator. The Philippines. Cute visual displays and a sunset to die for. Here in Japan, it's hot, wet and sticky. 2025 Osaka Expo. It's June 1st. And yes, it's hot and sticky here in Japan. We're going through the East Gate, and in front of you can see the magnificent wooden structure in front of you. Quite impressive. Here we're on a very long escalator up to the top of the ring that surrounds the expo itself. Ireland there in the distance, and on top of the ring there's a lot of green grass and a magnificent view of what's on the inside and also what's on the outside, and a whole lot of people. Besides the magnificent views, there wasn't much to do up there, so we decided to get back down to ground and check out the impressive long queues for the France, American and Canadian pavilions. Very popular. If you had a reservation or you're prepared to wait many hours outside in the sun, then you were in. Otherwise you just had to wander around aimlessly outside. And that's what we did. It wasn't too bad. There weren't many places to get out of the sun. While there was no way for us to get into the France pavilion itself, France was quite nice to put some artwork outside for guests to look at. And there was this big stainless steel ball artwork thing, and it was really cool too. I liked it. Thanks France, way to go. You made my day. With the heat frying our brains and we're getting a little bit dehydrated, we continued to wander around aimlessly looking for something cool. And we weren't disappointed. Cool stuff everywhere. Not cool as in cold cool, but just cool as in interesting. This pavilion was relatively easy to get into. The Brunei Pavilion. Fun fact for you, or maybe not so fun. The wooden donut chair and the arches were created at a factory where I work at here in Japan. Sweat, blood and tears. But it looks pretty good, doesn't it? Here's some secret pictures of the parts being assembled in the factory. On the inside of this donut chair I had to slide inside and screw down 1,000,000 screws. All part of life in Japan. But you don't hear me complaining. Time to check out this magical, twisty ice cream machine. No skill required, just push a button and you've got wonderful, soft matcha ice cream. With an hourly wage of 1,200 yen, I was able to buy 2 ice creams. The ice cream really helped to cool us down, and we just followed the crowd as they sucked us into the Saudi Arabian pavilion, the Saudi courtyard. Journey of discovery. And we discovered a lot. Dark rooms with flashing lights is not good for everyone, but the world is beautiful. And so is this intricate gate. The souvenir shop had lots of cool stuff, and there was also hot coffee. I don't know what the next pavilion was, but these girls really know how to party. But to be honest, those masks did creep me out a little. And now for the Bharat Pavilion. The crowd was walking that way and we just followed them in aimlessly like sheep, and we weren't disappointed. It was cool and pleasant with lots of moving things on the wall to keep our minds off the heat outside. The rock display kept me amused for hours, and it looks like they're going into space. Outside of the pavilion there were still lots of people, but the sun was going down and it was quite beautiful. That's my cat meowing in the background as I do this narration. Thanks, Melon. The cooling effects of the ice cream were long gone and we decided to dive into the Algeria Pavilion. Small, but quite nice. Where cute little girls and small foxes did all the talking. Did you find the fox? Oh, there he is. Next door was another small pavilion, Cambodia. Quite compact, and there seemed to be lots to see, but it's really hard to see anything with all the people. Can't say it was cool, but it was definitely better than the middle of the day, and the sun going down over the ring was beautiful. Can you see all those little people up there? Inside a different building it was a little cooler. This is the Amazon rainforest. They didn't have any real animals, and that's to be expected. But they did have a monkey. Every time we thought it was time to go home we got sucked back into another pavilion, but no regrets here. I wished I had taken better pictures, but my camera was failing in the heat, and this is the best footage that I could get out of it. Sorry guys. Not a pavilion, but the last place we checked out was the Yamato Black Cat courier service, and they had this cute big black cat that I just had to take a picture of. If there's any way that you enjoyed this video even slightly, please like and subscribe, or just write down a comment, and have yourself a great day. If you didn't like it, that's great too. We stayed in a hotel not far away from Osaka Expo, and this is the bedroom, which has an underwater theme. For breakfast it was buffet style and quite nice. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.